is there any product that can provide this protection to our family. Hi, my name is Richard Lim and I'm from Renovation. Our company main goals is to provide good service and quality workmanship to our customer without bursting their budget. We also committed in providing design and space planning. Now, because of our current situation about the COVID-19, they are very concerned about these viruses, bacterial, anti-fungal. So they are asking me about if there any product that can provide this protection to our family because they are very concerned about their health. Our company, Star Renovation, highly recommend Greenlam laminates because of their features: antivirus, antibacterial, anti-fungal, and safeguard, which is help us to protect our families, especially the kids and elderly. Some of the owners, they are not aware that these laminates can found everywhere in our house. We have wardrobe, vanity table inside the toilet, kitchen cabinet, and TV console. Because most of our carpentry works goes with the laminates, which is a big area on our house that have laminates. Most of our houses that we renovate before, basically we found fungus on toilets. So anti-fungal feature by Greenlam help us a lot to minimize and eliminate this issue. Greenlam laminates also have a features that pyrated. So in the events of fire, it will going to minimize the fire inside the kitchen. So it will going to help also to protect your families, your children in any events of fire inside the kitchen. I only have two advice for the homeowners if they were going to do the renovation. First is to find a reliable interior design firm, which is our company. We are offering a good service and quality workmanship without bursting your budget. And second thing is choosing the right product, which is we highly recommend Greenlam laminates to keep your family safe.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.